How to do freelancing. Step 1. Determine what you are good at. Commit to a life of freelancing and sign up for an account in any freelancing site. Signing up and working at some website is absolutely free, but some also have membership upgrades that will greatly help you to earn more, such as getting more bids per month and a list of skills. Certain projects require your profile to reflect certain skills, so the more you have listed, the more opportunities you get. Step 2. Set up your profile. It showcases your personality, resume, portfolio, and skills all rolled into one. It's also an important tool for persuasion. An employer may completely base his judgment on whether to hire you or not by how well you present yourself. We will guide you through this way in our next video more specifically. Step 3. Hundreds of projects and contests in different categories are posted each day at freelancing websites. Find the ones you want to work on by regularly checking the jobs or contest page. In the jobs page, you'll see suitable projects open for bidding. For contests, you simply submit an entry. There are over 1,004 categories in the jobs page, from web development and writing to marketing and accounting. Certainly, a job that matches your skills is listed there. Before placing your bid, make sure to write a compelling reason why the employer should pick you over everyone else. Not sure how the process works? No problem. We have step-by-step guide for you. Step 4. Work. This might be the hardest but most rewarding step. Before starting work, make sure that both you and the employer are aligned in terms of project scope, deadlines, and payments, so there will be no issues along the way. You may want to have a signed agreement in place to seal the deal. All must be clear between you and the employer before you jump the gun. You might be too excited to start working, but keep calm and focused. Once the job is awarded, make sure you impress your employer by being consistent when it comes to timeline, budget, and communication. Use the built-in chat box to converse easier. Or better yet, install a mobile app so you can keep your employer updated wherever you are. Step 5. Get paid and earn 5-star feedback. Once you get paid, you can withdraw your money via PayPal, wire transfer, money bookers, or your nominated local bank account. Also, always aim for 5-star feedback. The accumulation of great quality feedback is a great addition to your portfolio.